Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas from Taco Bell step by step. Heat your skillet to medium and lay out tortillas and fillings. Start with a thin layer of cheese, add seasoned taco meat, and finish with another sprinkle of cheese so it melts as it closes. Fold or press the tortilla, then toast each side until golden brown and crispy. Serve hot with sauces and enjoy immediately. Keep your assembly lines simple and tidy for smooth cooking. Start with cheese on the base tortilla to help everything stick, then add meat in an even layer so each bite has filling. Avoid overfilling to allow easy folding and flipping. Use a second tortilla or fold the single one over, pressing gently to seal. Wipe the pan between batches for consistent browning and texture. On another note, if you make quesadillas often, you might love leak-proof containers to keep them warm and tidy on the go. They snap shut securely, stack neatly, and cut cleanly into lunch bags without spills. I like using them for leftovers and meal prep because they save time and mess. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Cook on medium heat so the outside crisps while the inside warms and cheese melts. Flip once when the first side is golden to avoid tearing the tortilla. After cooking, transfer to a cutting board and let it rest briefly so the cheese sets. Slice with a sharp knife or pizza cutter into wedges and serve right away with your favorite sides like salsa, sour cream, or guacamole for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.